Today I bring you academic year 2020 to 21 mathematics class 10 syllabus detected portion. CBSE already declared the detected portion in CBSE website. So let's review what detect portion in the class 10 mathematics. Chapter number 1, real number. In this topic remove Euclid division lemma. Exercise 1.1 totally deleted. Page number 7. Chapter number 2, polynomial statement and simple problem on division algorithm. Division algorithm question means which you are dividing the polynomial, that question is deleted. Exercise 2.3 whole exercise is deleted. Page number 36. Number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. In this there are 4 methods. Out of 4 methods, one cross multiplication method, that topic is removed. That is exercise 3.5 question number 1. Page number 62, only one question 1 to 4 bit, this is deleted. Cross multiplication method is deleted. Chapter number 4, quadratic equation. In this situation problem based on equation reducible to quadratic equation, word problem, that is deleted. Whatever the word problems are there in quadratic equation, which you are set up the quadratic equation, that all questions are deleted. Chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, application in solving daily life problems based on sum to nth term, that is important. Sum of nth term based application question, that will be deleted. Exercise 5.3 question number 15 to 20 and page number 113 and 114. These are the deleted questions from the arithmetic progression. Chapter number 6, triangles. There are two theorems deleted. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to that. And in a triangle, if the square on one side, like theorem 6.6 and theorem 6.9 are deleted. Page number 141 to 142, page number 146. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. One topic totally removed, area of a triangle. Exercise 7.3, page number 170. In chapter number 8, introduction to trigonometry, ratios whichever are defined 0 and 90 degree, they are trigonometric ratios, complementary angle, like sin 90 change as cos 90, cos 90 in terms of in sin 90. Exercise 8.3 totally deleted, page number 189. Exercise 8.4 only question number 3 is deleted, page number 193. Rest of these question numbers are, we have to complete it. Chapter number 9, height and distance, and chapter number 10, circle, no deleted. Nothing will be deleted from this, any topic or any exercise, nothing will be deleted from these two chapters. Chapter number 11, construction. Construction of triangle similar to a given triangle. Total exercise 11.1 deleted, but except question number 1 we have to explain. That ratio 5:8 we have to draw the line segment, ratio 5:8, that question we have to explain. Rest of all question in exercise 11.1 is deleted, page number 219 to 220. Chapter number 12, area related to circle. In this chapter there is no more deletion, only one question, problem on central angle of 120 degree. Exercise 12.2, only one question it is there on based on 120 degree central angle, question number 7, page number 230. And chapter number 13, surface areas and volume. First term of cone, exercise 13.4, page number 257. This last exercise totally deleted from the chapter 13. And chapter number 4, statistics, mean step deviation method. In mean there are 3 methods are there: direct method, step deviation method, assume method. In that step deviation method is deleted, do it direct or assume method. And one more is advantage to the student in chapter number 14, cumulative frequency of graph. Exercise 14.4 is totally deleted, page number 293. Less than or give, greater than or give, that one is deleted. And chapter number 15, probability, no deletion. I hope all of you understand what was the detected portion in the academic year 2020 to 21. From this my YouTube channel and my Facebook page Easy Maths, I'm grateful and I'm very much thankful to CBSE chairperson who take a good step to reduce this syllabus during this COVID-19, the effect of virtual classes to the student studies. So I'm grateful and thank you, and please don't forget to like and share my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Thank you.